Assalamu-Alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel Program for Hack. And in this video I want to show you a cool builder in which you can build your website very simply without coding. A little bit of coding you require to understand the code and to modify it for you, but you can build a so awesome design using this builder. So first of all, let's roll the intro. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you is about my new channel, which is AK Hackzul. In this channel I will upload ethical hacking related content, so therefore if it will get strike, then my main channel will not get affected. So also subscribe my this channel. Okay, so now let's move to our topic. So what I want to show you is the Bootstrap. You are thinking that Bootstrap is a platform you will copy paste your code. This is, you all know that. No, I don't want to show you about Bootstrap. I want to show next. If you know about Bootstrap, then you can skip video 1 minute after, or you can skip video, just skip video, okay, from here. Okay, what is a Bootstrap? Those who don't know about Bootstrap is a website or platform which provide you code. You just need to copy the code and use it. You can see here, if I go in components, I think no, okay, here if I go cards, you will see code for this cards. You can see you don't want to code it, you only want to copy this and paste, and you will get a card. Before copy pasting this, you want to get started. Okay, you want to copy this template code in your HTML file, then you can use any of the Bootstrap class or anything. Okay, so this is called Bootstrap. So I want to show you about Bootstrap Studio. Okay, Bootstrap Studio is a very cool software which you can use to build your website. Bootstrap Studio use Bootstrap to build website. This is very cool. Okay, I will show you the demo. Okay, so this is the main website of Bootstrap Studio. You can download from here or you can purchase. You will also get cracks from internet. So if I show you my VM, which is a Windows OS, okay, here you will see Bootstrap I have installed already. So if you need the crack, then you will Google it, you will get the crack. Okay, so I will run this, wait for it. I am using it in my virtual box, so therefore it may be slow. Actually it's very slow because my main OS is Linux, and I have to crack my own if I want to use it in Linux, because I have not found any Linux crack. If you found any Linux crack of Bootstrap Studio, then please tell me in comment section, because I don't want to use it slowly in my virtual box. So here you can see I have 2 projects already. This is my friend's website. I am trying to copy my friend's website to make myself good in website designing. So let me open this. Okay, so if you see this is the website I designed using this Bootstrap Studio. This is very cool. Okay, so you can see this that you can drag this like this, like in you perform in your browser to check if your website is responsive or not. Okay, so my website is not more responsive, because you can see it comes here and after it everything's gone. So you can also switch to devices like here. Okay, and you can also edit so much things here. You can see here the mobiles and versions of desktop. So one more thing I want to show you about this, you will see here publish. If you publish, it will require some options here, but I don't want to talk about this. Let me first of all full screen my so you can see clearly. Okay, now I want to show you preview. If you click on preview, you will see here the port and just on, then you will get a URL. Just copy this URL, or you can open in browser. Click here, open in browser. So I will copy URL and open my browser and paste URL and go. Now you will see the website live here. Okay, as you change here, the change will also made here without refreshing it. Okay, like if I change this motto to dots, remove these dots and come here, you will see dots are removed. I have not refreshed the website, so I will again put it as the like this. Okay, so now let me create a new design. When you create a new, first of all let's close this project, close design. Okay, now when you come here, what is happening, just close this because I am using VirtualBox, so therefore maybe this is an effect of this. Okay, so come here and if you click on new design, it will ask you for the name. Let me put for YouTube, and it will also ask you for Bootstrap version. Okay, here is Bootstrap version 3.4, 4.6 and 5. I recommend you to use 5 or 4.6 because in 5 the templates you search online will not mostly work on 5. It works on 4.6. I will show you. Okay, I will show you. Just create this. Okay, this is blank template. You can use any template here like this and any kind of template here. I will use blank and I will create this. Now here you can save your design. Okay, here I will save this. Okay, now this design is saved. If you go here, you will see all the components. Okay, here is my defined component. I have customly designed this and save in my here so I can use it later. So here is the downloaded. If you see here, BS4 means that Bootstrap version 4. So here is so much components like UI, articles. If you see here, you can see the article UI. You just want to drag and drop here, you will get a so cool UI of your for your articles. And this is responsive. If you see here, you can see it's responsive. Okay, it's responsive and you can edit the pictures and you can edit the text, anything. So this is the thing, and the other things I want to show you is there is so much other things like forms, headers, media, images, text and so much things. But what this downloaded and what this user, you will not find these tools because these are defined by me. So how I get this, here you will see studio, which is available in your studio. Here if you go online and search for anything you want, here you will see the trending. I will search for, let's first of all remove all the things and see everything is empty. Let's first of all search for navbar, or just search for nav. Here you will get so much navigation bars like this, and you can also test it by just like if I show you, here is the navbar. You will go here and you will see preview. When you click on preview, it will show you the navbar here. Okay, you can see the navbar. Just close this, and if you see that the navbar is cool, then you can install it. Just hover the mouse on your navbar and here you will see install. Just install this and then you will get this in your downloads. Okay, here I have installed these, and you can also uninstall this. So this is the navbar I have installed, and you can now edit this anything you want, and add this logo. You can select so much logos here. Okay, and you can also search for templates. Here is the template, and here is the other template, here is the other template, and you can also contact page. If you search for contact, you will see the contact form. Okay, so much contact forms are available here, so much cool designs of contact forms. You can also search for login forms. There is so much things to, you can see this is so much cool. Okay, Google style login or other forms, you can see, you can preview them, and if you like them then you can use it. And here if you go, you will see the your all components. Okay, first of all I have HTML, after it I have body. In my body I have navbar. In navbar I have 3 elements. Okay, navbar brand, toggle, and this is another. Okay, the other thing you can do is you can check the code. If you go here, you see HTML, click on it, you will get the HTML code and your styling all here. You can also navigate to the CSS files, and you can search here for a query, and here also you can search for anything. Okay, and just again click on this like this, and it will be down here. You can export your, if you click on export, you will select your destination and export things. Choose this option according to your requirement. And here if you select any of the element and come here, you will see the HTML body, and here is the one navbar which I have selected, and here is the styling. You can change the background, margin, width, height, anything from here, brightness, contrast, and here you can see gradient. Okay, background color, where is the gradient? Okay, this is add gradient. You can add gradient, just select your color. I choose red, and here select greenish, so you can make your gradient here. Okay, and you can change the direction like this. You can see the direction of the gradient is changing. Okay, so whatever you like this is looking cool, but not so much cool. So you can perform things like this, and you can also see the background, the text color, and other things, decoration, border वगैरह, border color, shadow, and responsive display, flex. You can change the display to flex if you know the coding. Okay, if you know how to code in HTML or CSS, then you know about these things. And the other cool thing is that you can set the animation. So if I put there hover, or if I put load, okay, then bounce play, you can see it's bouncing. And if I go here, okay, my web, this is off, so I will again on this. Okay, come here. Now you see when I load this page, the navbar bounces. Okay, you can see bouncing. And you can also select other things like flash. You will see this will flash, and plus, and rubber band. Okay, and shake, and this jello. Okay, so there is so much animation, and you can also loop here. if you run this, it will run again and again. So let's just see. Okay, you can see it's running and again like a live website. Okay, so just reset this all. So here is so much things you can do, and just drag and drop and do whatever stuff you want. And here is the design you saved, here is the pages, here is the styles, here is JavaScript code which I don't have any, here is the font, I have not used any, here is the images, everything. After it you can export your design. I have already exported my some designs. Actually I am testing, so therefore I have testing designs. You can say this is a design for use. This is the file in which your design will save for Bootstrap Studio to load it again. But in here I have exported my first project. Okay, so here is the project. Let me open this. It's slowing down my VM because okay, so if you see here it's flashing, and if you go here you will see it's moved. Okay, and if you refresh this page you will see these bounce. Okay, and if you go here you will see this is also, and here is the slide, and here is the other things. This is the design website I have made only for testing. So you can design like this, and you can export your design, your all files here. Okay, so just close this. And the other thing what I can tell you is templates. I think if you go here you'll see here is also templates, I think so. Okay, I have not here. So just enough for this video. I think my video is going long. Okay, this is 17. Okay, so this is long video. Okay, so just leave here. If you want a full video on how to use this, okay, you can ask me, and you will see on YouTube, you will find some of videos in English. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then share, like and subscribe my channel, and also tell your friends, and also subscribe my other channel which is AK Exo. So Allah Hafiz, meet you in next video.